Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how I curl my hair using a wand like this one. The things you're going to need are a brush, a comb, preferably with this to help parting easier, a bunch of clips, a heat protectant. The one I've been using for many years is this one from Beyond the Zone. It's called Turn It Up the Heat. You're also gonna need gloves. These I got at a regular beauty supply store. I think they were like $5 or something. I'm sure you can get them at Amazon as well. All right, the first thing we wanna do is unknot the hair. Make sure we get everything out, all the knots out. And then, as always, we start by parting it in half. All right, let's flip this side out of the way. And then, so we're gonna work with this side first. So let's go in and spray the heat protectant, and just, this one leaves a nice like sheen to it. I really love it. It has a really pleasant scent. Yes, I've been using it for so long. Okay, then when I do that, then I comb it through to make sure the product is distributed. All right. Okay. So we're gonna start with, let's just say, like a small section in the back. And the way we're gonna do it is we're gonna work from the back moving forward. And I can't really see that well. I don't have access to that side from this angle with the mirror, but it's okay. You can kind of just feel, just like with the keratin, you kind of just have to feel your way. Okay, so these gloves typically you can use on either side, either hand. I'm a lefty, but I'm also a righty. Okay, so you want to put the glove obviously in the hand that is going to be doing the wrapping around. So in this case, I think I'm gonna switch it to this side. See, I don't even know. I don't even know which hand is gonna feel better. Place it and then turn it. And then hold it there for a couple of seconds. I like to clip things out of the way as I am doing them so I don't get them mixed up, so I just clip it back there. Okay, now we do the same on the other side. Same thing, we spray it. When you have less hair, you leave it less time, because then if you leave it too long, then it's going to get too curly. So the more hair, the longer you hold it. The less hair, the less you hold it. Okay, let's turn this thing off. Let's remove the clip from back here, the clip on this side, which is I just used to hold up everything. And pass your fingers through like that. And you see how it's just a soft wave? That's what I wanted. At this point, let's say I decide I want it to the other side. Just part it. Sometimes a curl got too big, keep just putting your fingers through it for a little while, and then that's gonna calm the curl down. It's gonna pull it down. And voila! That's how you can get some waves into your hair without really not damaging it too much. Just make sure you always use a protector. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed these types of videos, because I am more than happy to keep making these. I've always loved hair. I've always kind of been sort of a natural. I didn't go to beauty school. I was going to start the esthetician course, but then COVID started, and so I couldn't go to school. So I am learning as I go. I'm also very passionate about skincare and makeup, as you guys know, but hair has always also been a passion of mine, but I just never felt confident enough to share it with other people until now. So I hope you find these helpful. Let me know down below what you would like to see next. Until next time, hope you have a beautiful day, a blessed rest of your week, and take care. Bye-bye.